How can sound and color help me for healing? Your brain, your nervous system is hardwired for sound and for sight, for color. When you work with sound, healing sounds, different modalities, frequencies, vibrations, your brain begins to vibrate. It goes on a different frequency, and this frequency activates all of your glands, your parasympathetic nervous system, your hormones. It brings a peace and a calm. So it's a certain kind of music that brings healing. And when we accompany this with color, color is the vibrancy of your life. It is the myriad of different possibilities. And when we focus on colors, like visualizing, say, purple, it actually ignites, it fires the center part of your amygdala, which is where we have our fight, flight, or flight. And it calms the amygdala down, which calms the whole body down. I've been working with sound and color for over 30 years, and I can say it has changed my life and the life of so many people. Here, just listen to this and close your eyes and see what happens when we hear this sacred healing vibration. The crystal bowl. Just imagine that this sound is beautiful colored light, your favorite color, and it's pouring into your heart, down into your organs, filling you with healing sound, gentle waves of comfort, peace, bliss. It's that simple. One more thing. What happens if you cannot visualize? Many people can't visualize, so don't feel bad about that. It really just has to do with how your brain is put together. But it doesn't mean your brain isn't visualizing, because science has shown that the brain works in pictures, whether we know it or not. So the key is to set your intention. That's all you have to do. You just state it. So my intention is perfect health. My intention is to get over this surgery, recover from the surgery in perfect health. My intention is to have a calm, peaceful mind. That is visualization. That's it right there. You just did it.